Hello, my name is James and I'm lead product specialist here at Marin Acura in beautiful Corte Madera, California. Today we have a fantastic example of a pre-owned 2019 Land Rover Range Rover 5.0 liter V8 Supercharged. As we walk around this vehicle, I'm going to list off some of its basic info and key features. Now the vehicle is finished in Borealis Black Ultra Metallic Gloss with the ebony interior option. Of course, it's a Range Rover with four-wheel drive. The 8-cylinder engine makes 518 horsepower. Some of the key features about this luxury SUV include real leather seating, navigation, parking sensors, panoramic roof, split power tailgate, rear air controls, heated front seats, heated rear seat, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, MP3 player, speed limit sign recognition, automatic temperature control, Bluetooth emergency communication system, dual zone AC, rain sensing wipers, headlight cleaning, cargo cover as you can see there. The seats in the rear fold down so you can get extra room in the back of this extra large vehicle. You can see this vehicle is in fantastic condition, black on black, the best way to have a Range Rover. Now, if you're interested in this vehicle, our sales phone number here at Marin Acura is 415-413-0410. Again, that is 415-413-0410.